Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. One of the books in the series is all about Waitangi, Te Wairua o Waitangi, in fact, the spirit of Waitangi. And I wrote this because so many teachers wanted me to do a Te Reo Singalong book with a Waitangi focus, because everyone's doing that in schools and preschools, but they didn't really have any books that young children could use. So the sentence structures in this one are all about the book in two halves, the treaty as in the Māori culture, and then the natural environment. So the spirit of Waitangi is about protecting both of those. And we're asking, mā wai, who will? Who will look after the birds? Mā wai ngā manu e te aki? And the children are all saying, mau, you will, mā ku, I will, mā rātou, they will, and mā tātou, we all will. And that's the sentence structure for this book. I'm sure you'll love it. Children really do. Ka kite.